Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about masking. So why do we use masking in Figma? Um in case we want to add some cool effects on our images or any kind of thing, so in that case we want to hide some part of our image. We don't want the whole image, right? So in that case we can use masking. So for example, I'm just going to take a copy of this image and then I'll click on this one, this shape, like I'll just draw a circle here, okay, and then I'm going to click on send to back, okay. So make sure your shape is always at the back of your image. So to select select both the things and then click on this option, or also another way is there, you can right click on this one and then you can click on use as mask, okay. So this is done. Okay, so one more thing, if you want to edit this shape, so you can do that also. And if you want to move this image also, you are just simply going to click on this image and then you are going to move it here, okay. So in this way you are going to mask your images, okay. So here you can see in the layers panel also, this has created a mask group. So here is the image and here is the ellipse. So this has created a kind of group, a mask group, okay. So for example, if I want to like mask this image like inside a text or something, so how am I going to do that? Let me show you. uh, for example, I'm just going to write fashion and then going to edit this a bit, and then before masking, just make sure this text is converted into a vector or like a shape, okay. So you are going to click on outline stroke, okay. So now if you click on any shape, then you can see that this is converted into like a shape. This is no more a text now. So now I'm going to take this same image and then going to make this bigger and take this shape here itself here. I'm going to take and then send it back. Click on send it back, okay. Then you are going to select the whole thing and going to click on mask. So also you can mask your images inside your text also, like this. So yeah, that is it for this video, and if you learned something from this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more such design related content. Thank you so much.